Hi, I'm Melissa. Wood is all the rage these days when it comes to accent walls. Everything from old barnwood boards to new boards designed to look old. Creating an accent wall is a great way to add life to any room. All you need is some paint and a FLEXiO sprayer from Wagner. For this project, you'll need a paint sprayer. We're using the FLEXiO 3000 for this project. A paint and primer combination product, enough for 2 coats. Canvas drop cloths to protect the floor. Lightweight plastic sheeting and masking tape to protect other walls and the ceiling from overspray. And we also recommend wearing a dust mask and safety glasses anytime you're spraying paint. So let's get started. I've got the iSpray nozzle installed on the sprayer because we have a pretty big wall to spray. I'll start by adjusting the nozzle for a narrow spray pattern, and then I'll spray the gaps in between the boards first. When painting the gaps, you want to make 2 passes to make sure you get full coverage. The first pass is angled up and the second pass is angled down. If you're spraying real wood, make sure you spray in the direction of the grain. It's good to spray in the long direction anyway to avoid pooling of the paint in the gaps and potential dripping. The Shiplap boards might take paint differently depending on what they're made of. Now I'll adjust the nozzle to the wide spray pattern and I'll spray the rest of the wall. With the FLEXiO 3000, you want to make sure you're spraying 6 to 8 inches from the wall. We really hope you found this video helpful. For more how-to videos and information about our complete line of painting products, visit our website at wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching!